close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. Once again, welcome back to our channel. Yeah, we are having off period now, right now, and here's my friend. Please say hi. I know. In this video, we will show you how we usually spend our time in college. Nói ôm mà. Hả? Tay mở lắc về nó hơi.
हे हिम्मत तो लगा.
A few moments later.
Diyan.
YouTube ते थल्ले के दे दो.
This is our college. And here we have Mr. Handsome. Class Peter Chai there. Yeah. Bro, how was your class?
What?
Class Peter Chai na there. Bye. Off period kiro inay thagi re manon student kan. Mera friend भी off period there.
So weird.
मैंने है ना फैसला किया है.
करेक्ट फैसला किया. तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. मैं ना क्या कर सकता हूँ यार.